What's going on, everybody? In the words of Ice Cube, I gotta say, today was a good day, and it was a good day indeed, because my TorqStorm Supercharger just came in today after 4 long months of waiting. I was not expecting it to be here today, but it showed up, and we're gonna go ahead and do an unboxing video. Man, I've been trying to do this video for the longest, man. This video supposed to been done, like I said, 4 to 5 months ago, but we're gonna go ahead and get the ball rolling, man, and continue on with this this supercharger build for my 2014 Dodge Challenger SRT8 392 Hemi. So let's get to it. All right, so we're gonna go through box number 1. Like, this is the blower, the head unit itself. This ain't my first rodeo. Like I said, the last time this came in, the packaging was very similar. So, all right, here's the head unit. Also with the 3-1 pulley. I had to make sure I had that. There it goes. That's the small pulley that they offer. 3-1, boom. As you see, I got the black powder coat finish. We got the lifetime warranty card right here. Now here's the back of it. Yes, sir. There we go. That's a whole lot better. There it is. As you can see, proudly made in the USA. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. Oh, look at that. Woo! All right, man, let me go ahead and get to the rest of this stuff out of the box. We're gonna go to box number 2 now. Yeah, there she is. That's the head unit.
Artlist.io.
Man, glad this thing finally came. All right, box number 2.
Music licensing reimagined.